Moringa seeds, also known as the seeds of the Moringa oleifera tree, have been gaining popularity in recent years due to their numerous health benefits. These small, round seeds are packed with essential nutrients and have been used for centuries in traditional medicine practices. From promoting heart health to boosting the immune system, Moringa seeds offer a wide range of benefits that can improve overall well-being. One of the key benefits of Moringa seeds is their high nutritional content. These seeds are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, making them a powerhouse of nutrients. They are particularly high in vitamin C, vitamin A, calcium, potassium, and iron, all of which are essential for maintaining good health. In addition, Moringa seeds are a good source of protein, making them an excellent addition to a vegetarian or vegan diet. Moringa seeds are also known for their anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation is a natural response by the body to injury or infection, but chronic inflammation can lead to a number of health problems, including heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. The antioxidants found in Moringa seeds help to reduce inflammation in the body, protecting against these diseases and promoting overall health. Another benefit of Moringa seeds is their ability to lower cholesterol levels. High cholesterol is a major risk factor for heart disease, the leading cause of death worldwide. Studies have shown that Moringa seeds can help to lower LDL, bad cholesterol levels, while increasing HDL, good cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease and improving heart health. Moringa seeds are also believed to have anti-cancer properties. Cancer is a devastating disease that affects millions of people worldwide, and finding ways to prevent and treat it is a top priority for researchers. Studies have shown that the antioxidants in Moringa seeds can help to protect against cancer by neutralizing free radicals, which are harmful molecules that can damage cells and lead to cancer development. In addition to their health benefits, Moringa seeds are also good for the skin. The vitamins and minerals found in these seeds help to nourish the skin, promoting a healthy complexion and reducing the signs of aging. Moringa seeds can be used topically in skincare products or consumed internally to improve skin health from the inside out. Moringa seeds are also known for their immune-boosting properties. The vitamins and minerals found in these seeds help to strengthen the immune system, making it more effective at fighting off infections and diseases. By incorporating Moringa seeds into your diet, you can give your immune system a natural boost and protect yourself against illness. One of the lesser-known benefits of Moringa seeds is their ability to improve digestion. Digestive issues such as bloating, gas, and constipation are common problems that can be uncomfortable and disruptive to daily life. Moringa seeds contain fiber, which helps to promote healthy digestion and prevent these issues. In addition, the anti-inflammatory properties of Moringa seeds can help to soothe the digestive tract and reduce inflammation, improving overall gut health. Moringa seeds are also a good source of energy. Many people struggle with low energy levels due to poor diet, lack of exercise, or other lifestyle factors. Moringa seeds are a natural energy booster, providing a quick and sustainable source of energy to help you get through your day. By incorporating Moringa seeds into your diet, you can increase your energy levels and improve your overall vitality. In conclusion, Moringa seeds offer a wide range of health benefits that can improve overall well-being. From promoting heart health to boosting the immune system, these small seeds are packed with essential nutrients and antioxidants that can protect against disease and improve quality of life. Whether consumed internally or used topically, Moringa seeds are a versatile and powerful superfood that can help you look and feel your best. Incorporate Moringa seeds into your daily routine and experience the many benefits they have to offer.